Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is your Sudarshan. Hey, recently you'd have noticed that I've changed my YouTube name to the Human Upgrade. There was a reason why I did that. I wanted to connect more universally to people, and it's a little philosophical as well because human upgrade means, we learn and evolve all the time. And that's my philosophy. I want to learn and evolve all the time. And I want to learn, evolve, and discover and share it with you. And that's the purpose of this YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about the greatest tool in the recent times, ChatGPT. I'm going to share with you four great things you could do with ChatGPT for free. Number one is you could write anything instantly with ChatGPT. It could be writing an email to your customer or to your service provider. It could be writing a blog post. It could be creating a content on YouTube video and you need a script, or it could be updating your resume, whatever it may be. Previously, it took 10 to 15 minutes to write the content. You open a Word document, use your creative mind to write that content. You basically rewrite it, rephrase it, correct it. It took time. But with ChatGPT, that content happens in 10 to 15 seconds, and that's the specialty of it. And so it becomes your content writer straight away. Number two, you can use ChatGPT to learn anything faster. So it could be any topic, any complicated topic. It could be quantum physics, it could be space landing, it could be invention of bulb, invention of mobile phones, whatever it may be, any topic. You can ask ChatGPT to explain it to you like you're a 10-year-old, and it'll basically break it down for you in plain, simple language. So you basically can use it as your teacher who is available to you 24 bar 7 365. Number three, you can use ChatGPT to plan your life. This could be a little controversial. Not everybody are going to agree that you could do everything with ChatGPT or use ChatGPT for planning everything. Of course, you can't use it as your psychologist or a psychiatrist. You can't ask for recommendations for medications. But what you could do with it is plan your day, plan your workouts, plan your meals, right? You basically type in your likings, your thoughts, your preferences, your goals to ChatGPT, and it'll basically map out a plan for you. Basically, will act like your personal assistant. Number four, you could use it as your conversational partner. What I mean by that is, look, I use it all the time for having a preparation before I go into a conversation with my boss or with an important person or with my customer. So I ask it to act like my boss, ask it to act like my customer, ask it to act like my colleague or my partner and have a conversation with it. It kind of keeps my thought flowing. It kind of improves my speaking ability and it gives me a lot of confidence. So it basically can act like your conversational partner. So here you go. I've shared with you four great things that you could do with ChatGPT. Please drop your comments below about what do you use ChatGPT for in your life. So if you have enjoyed this video, please share, like, and subscribe. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.